In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a favicon in Squarespace. Favicons are those tiny icons you see in the tabs of your web browser, and they are a crucial part of your brand identity. They might be small, but they can make your website look professional and polished. Let's dive into how you can easily add a favicon to your Squarespace site. To start off, you need to navigate to the Squarespace website. This is your online home base, where you'll find all the tools you need to create and manage your website. If you aren't already logged in, go ahead and do so. Once you're logged in, you'll see a menu of options. Look for the Get Started button, a welcoming invitation to dive right in. Clicking this will give you access to your personal dashboard. Your dashboard is essentially the control center for your site. From here, glance toward the bottom left corner of your screen, where you'll find the Settings option. This is where all your site configuration options are housed. Go ahead and click on Settings. Now, this next step is particularly important for us today. Look for a section called Favicon. This is where we'll be doing most of our work. Once you click on Favicon, you'll be brought to a page where you can upload your desired icon. You'll notice a plus sign or a button that says Add a Favicon. This is your cue to get creative. Click the plus sign, and it will prompt you to upload an image. Make sure that the image you upload is neatly designed and fits in a small square format, since that's the standard for favicons. A tip here is to use a simple design that encapsulates the essence of your brand. After selecting your image, it'll be uploaded to the site. Before you click away or move on, take a moment to preview how your favicon looks on the site. Does it represent your brand well? Is it clear and easily recognizable? Once you're happy with how the new icon looks, don't forget the most important part: saving your work. In the upper right corner, there should be a Save button. Clicking Save will finalize the addition of your favicon to your site. And that's it. With these steps, your favicon is now proudly displayed on your Squarespace website. It's a small feature, but it enhances the professionalism and cohesiveness of your online presence. Remember, good design is in the details, and this is one of them. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, make sure to subscribe for more Squarespace tips and tricks. Happy building!